Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to start crypto or forex trading. Okay, so before you start you have to know some basics in forex or how forex works. So I have this app you can use to understand how forex is. So the name of the app is Go Forex. Yeah, as you can see, this is the app I'm talking about, this particular app. So you just head over to your app store or play store, then you search for Go Forex. Wait for it to load. Okay, so there's it, the red and green app. Yeah, so after downloading you just tap on it. It will just show you the basics in forex. Yeah, so I prefer English, so let's go in for English. Just read the intro. Okay, you can just choose to answer any of the, so you wait for it to set up. Okay, so actually what you are seeing are not real money. I mean, this one, it's just demo. It will help you to understand how the market is. So right now there's Bitcoin. Yeah, there's Bitcoin or BTC, and as at the time I'm recording this video, one BTC is equal to $103,000. Yeah, that's a lot. Yeah, so this is how it is in forex. We have two things, whether you buy or sell. I'm just going to teach you the basics. Okay, so after reading the chart, yeah, as you can see, it rises and drops. Okay, so I think this is the all-time highest value of BTC. Yeah, so in this case we have sell and buy. So after your analysis, if you think BTC is going to drop, then you have to sell so that when it drops you gain from it. Or when you think it's gonna rise, you have to buy so that when you rise you also gain from it. Okay, so let's just do some simple analysis over here. Okay, so I think BTC is going to drop, so I'll tap on sell. The amount, we have $1,000, sorry, $100, 200, 500, 1,000. Let's go in for the 100. And the leverage is the let's say volume. So when you go in for one leverage, it's not going to drop much and it's not going to rise much. It depends on the money you are going to stake here. So let's tap on trade. So as you can see, this is my profit over here. So when it drops you see plus, and when it rises you see minus. Okay, so let's wait and see how it will go. It's not going to move fast because the leverage I chose was very low. Yeah, so guys, let's close this one. I made zero profit. Okay, let's go in for another one. Still sell $1K dollars. The leverage to, let's tap on 300. Okay, so in this case when it drops even a little the money will be high, and if it rises a little too the money is still going to rise. I don't know whether you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so as you can see I'm already losing. Okay, so it's moving. As you can see, BTC is dropping. So what you need to do now is, I think it's gonna rise. I'll lose money, so I'll just tap on close. But if you feel it's still going to drop, as you can see it's dropping, BTC is dropping, so my money is increasing because I tap on sell, which means it's going to drop. Yeah, so my prediction was very, very right. Okay, so I'm going to close this trade right now. So when you close it, voila, you've gotten $11.80. Yeah, so this is basically how Bitcoin or BTC trading works. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please kindly consider subscribing, leaving a comment, and liking. Comment on what you want to learn next, so that I'll do a video about it for you. Thank you.